Everyone, welcome to the SST classroom. I hope that you all enjoyed your summer breaks, but now this is the high time to get back to your studies, students. And I am starting from the history chapter number 1. The name is French Revolution. You must have seen it. Students, whatever chapter I explained you through the videos, please go through the books also, read over there, have a look in the books, read out the important terms and the other things so that you can relate the explanation in chapter. It is very important for you all. Though I am explaining you, but books are also necessary for you all, so you must read it after the explanation of this video. It will give you more convenient method to understand. So here I am beginning the lesson 1 of the history, French Revolution. What is the French Revolution? What we are going to study in this chapter? Let's have a look. French Revolution. French means it is the language of France, which is a country, and revolution means when the number of persons, more number of persons protest against any unfair means, any of the government, that becomes a revolution. So in this chapter you are going to read about the revolution of the people of France, why they were protesting it, why they started the revolution, and what result they got after the revolution. All those things you will learn in this chapter. See, like the ancient regime and its crisis. Ancient regime and its crisis means the before the revolution, before the time period of the revolution, what kind of regimes, rules and regulation were there, and why the people were facing so many problems and they started the revolution. Then the causes of the French Revolution you are going to study. Outbreaks of the revolution means the result of the revolution. Revolution करने के बाद वहाँ के persons को उसका क्या result मिला, that will be the thing. France became a constitutional monarchy means France made their constitution, because earlier there were no such constitution, but later on it becomes the fully democratic. France becomes a republic country. We'll study all of these things in the very brief manner so that you can understand it. Then Jacobians and the new government, the reign of terror, the very important thing over here, the directory rules of the France, women's in French Revolution, the effects of the French Revolution, and the rise of the Napoleon Bonaparte. This I gave you the introduction of the chapter, that what you are going to study in it, and obviously I am going to explain everything, so it will be more clear to you that what is the French Revolution and the what will be the reasons, causes, outbreaks, results, and what happened to the people over there. So it's going to be a very interesting story for you all. Students, don't think it that the history is a boring subject. It's not, of course not. If you take interest, it will be more interesting for you. So do listen it like a story, that you are just listening a story of the past time, and you try to be the part of this, that past time period. Try to feel that thing so that you can understand this chapter more deeply. So every chapter needs a pre-study, students. Even in history, the most important thing is that obvious very first you do the pre-study. Pre-study means before starting the chapter, learn some few the things about that chapter, what you are going to study. If you don't know about that, definitely you are not going to link it. So pre-study of the topic, I am telling you that what you are going to study over here. France. Firstly, we are studying about the France, the people of the France who started a revolution. And where is France? France क्या है? France is a country and it is situated in the European continent. As you all know that there are 7 continents in the world, and the France country is situated in the European continent. विच टाइम पीरियड हिस्ट्री यू आर स्टडिंग इन दिस चैप्टर? कौन से टाइम की आप हिस्ट्री पढ़ रहे हैं यहाँ पे? तो इट विल बी द इट इज़ द टाइम पीरियड ऑफ 1789 to 1804. दिस स्टोरी इज़ द टाइम पीरियड ऑफ 1789 to 1804. Previously, who was ruling over there, who was doing the work, who was the government king? So there was a dynasty, Bourbon dynasty. Bourbon dynasty, it is the name of the dynasty in which the king and his son and his son and his son keep on ruling on the country from past many of the years. So they kept the name of their ruling time period, that was the Bourbon dynasty. It has a huge history, that Bourbon dynasty. And which family was ruling? King Louis. King Louis family was ruling in the France in that time period also, when the French Revolution begins, and the before time period also, the Bourbon dynasty, the King Louis was ruling. When the French Revolution began, who was ruling? King Louis XVI. The every king of the Bourbon dynasty is named as the number. नाम सबके किंग लुइस हैं, बट उसमें जो नंबर्स हैं, दिस नंबर, दैट दिस इज़ द चेंज, दैट बिफोर किंग लुइस 16, किंग लुइस 15 was the king. Before him, King Louis 14 was the king. Before that, King Louis 13 was the king. So on, they keep on ruling on the country for a longer time period. So during those time period, France people were facing lot of the problems. That is why those people protested against this Bourbon dynasty, and they wanted a democratic country, so they started the revolution. Then next thing is the Marie Antoinette was his wife. कौन थी? She was the wife of King Louis. She was the wife of King Louis. I'm going to show you the picture also. The picture study is also there. See, there is a picture is over here. This is, who is he? He is King Louis, and she is the wife Mary. King Louis 16 and the Marie Antoinette. The picture is over here so that you can understand it well. Next one, here is the picture of the map so that you can understand where exactly France. In history, you must understand which place study you are reading. That is very important, student. So I told you that we are talking about the French Revolution and France, country of the France, the condition of the France people. Where it is? France is in Europe. Are you able to see it, that where is France? Let me try to zoom it. Okay, see, here is the Europe, this Europe, and in this Europe continent, France country is there. So you are studying about this country, France. See, where is France over here in this video? कहाँ आपको इस पिक्चर में दिखाई दे रहा है? Here is the France. This whole thing is the European continent, and here is the France, and we जिसके बारे में आप इस चैप्टर में अभी बिल्कुल स्टडी करने वाले हैं, अबाउट द फ्रांस, वाई द पीपल ऑफ द फ्रांस वर प्रोटेस्टिंग अगेंस्ट द King Louis and the Bourbon dynasty. Now here is a picture study. The story begins from here, students, and the very first I am showing you a picture over here. What you are seeing in this picture, क्या क्या आपको इसमें दिखाई दे रहा है? What kind of scene is this? So many persons fighting, guns, tanks, smoke, fighting everywhere. The people are dying, fighting, doing something. बहुत सारी चीज़ें हैं इसमें. Why it is happening? मतलब this picture is more looking like a war. The people are fighting. Exactly. This picture is the scene of a France when the French Revolution begins. When the French Revolution started, students, the the very first day people start fighting with the army persons of the King Louis because they want democracy. Earlier they protested through many of the things, movements and all, but this was the anger of the people which came out into a war. तो वाई इट वॉज हैपनिंग ऐसी कंडीशन, सो मैनी पर्पज है. तो लेट्स हैव अ पिक्चर स्टडी ओवर है कि पहले ये पिक्चर है किसके बारे में. इट इज़ द सीन ऑफ द बेस्टील. बेस्टील was the name of a place and it was a royal armory. royal armory means होता है शस्त्रागार, जहाँ पे जो किंग की एक आर्मरी हुआ करती थी अपनी, जहाँ पर उनकी फोर्स दे यूज टू डू द प्रैक्टिस of different things and they used to keep their weapons, that called the armory. Yeah, so the scene is of the Bastille, which is the name of the royal armory, and it is of the Paris, France. In which time period? In 1789. The story begins from here. A fight. What was going on in this picture? हो क्या रहा है इस पिक्चर के अंदर? Let's see. A fight between the people of the third state of France and the King Louis army. इस पिक्चर में जो लोग हैं फ्रांस के, वो किंग लुइस की आर्मी के साथ में फाइट कर रहे हैं. दे आर फाइटिंग विद द पीपल्स. हाउ मेनी पर्सन्स जॉइंड इट? 7,000 men and women joined it. All the commanders were killed and the prisoners were released in this fight. और जब ये लड़ाई हुई, what happened? That all the commanders and the force, whatever was there in the Bastille, they were killed by the person, and all the prisoners which were there in the prison in the Bastille, they all were released by the people. Why they did so? Because they want the democracy, because they were against the King Louis rule. They don't want any of the monarchy in their country, so they protested. So it's giving, I feel like that it's a very interesting story is going to be now further. But what happened next? Who wants to know? But for that you have to wait for the next video. I will be continuing the next video and I will be telling you that why such conditions occurred when the people do the fight in the Bastille. This was the huge fight of the French Revolution. This scenario is the most important scene of the French Revolution, when the people came out from their houses and they start fighting with the army persons and with the king and with the queen. Why it was happening, what was the conditions over there in the France, why people were getting so angry and they were ready to kill the persons. All these things I'm going to tell you in the next video. Thank you so much everyone.